Guys, AI is out of control. Seriously, like my entire TikTok page is just flooded with these crazy AI slime videos. And these videos are honestly insane. I even saw a Labubu turn into slime. I was like, is that even possible? And this got me wondering, can I recreate these AI slimes? Let's find out. For our first slime, we're gonna try and recreate this viral lava slime. I really hope I can pull this off because this just might be my favorite slime. All right, I've got all my ingredients, so let's make some lava. Some slime lava. So first, I think I'm gonna go in with these lovely lava rocks. All right, in they go. This'll be good ASMR, ready? It doesn't really smell like anything, but I had to test it out. Okay, next I'm gonna put this aside and color my slime lava colored. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna add a little activator because it's already sticky, and I know when I add dye, it's gonna become even stickier. So, for my nice lovely lava color, we're going in with red and orange. All right, here we go. Now the trick is to not get the dye on your hand. I love clear slime because you can really easily see whatever colors you're adding into it, and it shows sprinkles and glitter the best too. A little bit of dye really goes a long way when it comes to clear slime. A little more leverage when mixing it. Now this is looking lovely. And you know you have a good clear slime when it makes a lot of bubble sounds. I have these little glowy eyeballs. I don't think they're supposed to be eyeballs, but they kind of remind me of eyeballs. And I'm gonna add these in to show like fire and the flames and the things that are in lava. And then lastly, I have a little bit of scent. It looks suspicious, but I swear it's just scent. This is cinnamon glazed baklava. Ooh, that smells really good actually. I hope it doesn't like blow up the little glowy things I have. What if it just started sparking? Personally, I have never been to a volcano, but I really like the movie Moana. So, you know, in a way, I have been to a volcano in my imagination. More activator, here we go. This is really cool. I like the glowy eyeball thingies. They're not really eyeballs, but they remind me of them. I'm gonna try to add it in a pretty way. Okay, now this is almost complete. We almost have our AI volcano slime remix, but we need to add wax on top. Wax, please! I have my assistant here holding the hot pot because I am not trusted with it. Ooh, look at that! Whoa! Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Wow. Every little corner of the bowl. This is so cool. I'm actually really proud of this one. Look at that. It's got like the lights and everything. I'm gonna set this aside, move on to the next slime, and then at the very end, I'm gonna come back, do some crackling ASMR for you guys. All right, for my next AI slime creation, we have this blue ice stover slime. It's like frozen on top. It has really good ASMR at the end. So we are gonna recreate that. I think I'm going to use a thick and glossy, some blue dye, and of course, ice. All right guys, first we have our thick and glossy base. I'm gonna use this royal blue to dye it. I'm gonna use a pretty liberal amount. Add a little bit of activator because I'll tell you, this dye really deactivates the slime. I'm excited to do this. I have never frozen slime before. I'm a little scared. I hope I don't get frostbite. So I'm gonna leave it a little bit not mixed in and add on top this chameleon pigment, not made of real chameleons. It just changes color like a chameleon does. Here we go. It doesn't look super pretty, but I promise once I mix it in, you'll be impressed. I would love to have a pet chameleon. When I was little, my family, we had a pet lizard and it would get like this big. It was so big. This chameleon powder didn't really dye it that much. I'm gonna do anything. I'm gonna add a darker color of blue actually. I want it darker. I'm adding a navy blue because the other blue, when it mixes with the white slime, it's just not as pigmented as I would like it to be. All right, and our finishing touch on this blue slime, in she goes. This is really adding to the icy vibes of this. Oh, that's so pretty. This makes me miss the snow. That's the thing with slime and glitter. You think you're adding a lot, then you mix it in and there's barely any. So let's add a bunch more glitter. All right, I need to mix this a little bit more quickly before the ice melts because I already got it from the freezer. Okay, see how much glitter I added? And like, you can see the glitter, but doesn't even look like a crazy amount. Oh, all right, I'm just gonna put this right on top. It might not be as aesthetic as the AI, but I'm doing my best, okay? I'm a real person, not a robot. Whoa, cold slime is weird. All right, let's go ahead and get to cracking. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, that literally just flew on this ice chip. Oh, this is good. Oh, but it flings up a little bit. It doesn't really stay, but maybe that's because I'm poking at it so hard. It's so, yeah, the ice is just so slippery, it flings away. Guys, leave a comment letting me know who you think did it better, me or AI? Because I think my heart's in it, but it's just not as aesthetic as the original. It's such a wet slime. Ah! This is a huge fail. Let's move on to the next one. Next AI slime we are doing is the popcorn slime. This one I'm excited about because first of all, I love popcorn. Second of all, we have another suspicious scent, the kettle corn smell. But before I scent it, I need to color it. Let us, ooh. I literally just shut the mixer by rolling my chair into it. That's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of this yellow and then we'll see how it's looking. I might need to add in like orange or brown. We'll see how it goes. Working with the pigment's pretty easy. The powder pigment, you just dip it in. I think I wanna add a tiny bit of brown, like the tiniest bit that's ever existed. Dip, 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 shake it off. And don't come after me in the comments, but I honestly prefer kettle corn to regular popcorn. I like it a little sweet. I think this is a pretty good color. It smells nice and buttery. Let's add in our charms. Wait till you see these guys. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I was a little too excited, but look how cute. It's just these little popcorns. I wish they were like squishy or poppable, but they're hard. Dump these in. I'm gonna make this one look like an actual cup of popcorn. If the popcorns were soft, it would be a lot better, but it's like if you crush it, it just hurts your hands. Let's add the finishing touches. The slime is making me hungry. It smells so good. All right, now let's try to compete with AI's ASMR. I do like that sound. This is my least favorite so far, but I still kind of like it. Next, how'd you guys like that spin? We are doing this feather slime. I've never seen anyone put feathers in slime before. I think this one will be pretty easy to recreate. I have faith in myself. I'm trying to get this slime less freaking sticky. Okay, you guys might think I'm crazy, but I am gonna add in all of this soft, fluffy, shiny glitter powder. So soft. It literally feels like a little cat. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's mix it in. I know it seems like a crazy amount, but slime really can collect things better than you'd think. Oh my gosh, I have made this slime so rough. I think I need to add a little more clear slime because it is hard to handle. Oh my gosh, it feels like leather. All right, let's add some more gooey, slimy slime. Starting to get a little bit easier to work with. Oh, slime muscles. Pulling it apart. Ooh, I'm like a bow and arrow person. An archer, that's what they're called. Believe me, darling. All right, I'll stop singing. All right, it's a little bit softer now since I added in the extra slime. So I'm just gonna say it's good enough. Let's add the feathers. It's a rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo, but no, I have to do it the way the robot did. Oh, this is cool. Look, I'm making a little flamingo egg. I know my slime isn't as squishy, but I think it'll be pretty still. Here, I should do it towards this one, right? Wow. Guys, I think I might have beaten AI on this one. What do you think? But now that it's mixed in, it really does look like a flamingo exploded. I made it a burrito. Okay, what do you guys think? Did I beat the AI on this one? Let me know in the comments. But for now, let's move on to the next slime. Finally, we have this fishy AI slime thing that we're recreating. I'm a little worried because these fish aren't as cute as the ones in the video. And I also don't think slime can move the way that it does in the AI video. This is one of my favorite colors here. With this clear slime, it's gonna look so much like water. It's gonna be very accurate, I think. So we need to decorate the bottom. These ones are cute, these little coral guys. Aren't coral, I think it's true that coral isn't a plant or an animal. Oh, we've got a narwhal, hammerhead. Do way more hammerhead. Look out, Steve Irwin. Am I right? Turtle. And then let's add starfish. Now, moment of truth, can I beat AI? No! come on out. Get out of there. All right, this isn't working, kind of like I expected. The scoop ability just isn't there. And also, our fish are fake, so it's nothing like the AI. I think they won on this one. All right, AI, I'm coming for you with this last and final slime that we saw at the very beginning. Time to get to cracking our lava wax. First off though, come on, a little moment for the wax. Look how cool this looks. I'm excited. This black layer on top just looks so cool. The cracks are okay. I'm gonna give them like a 7 out of 10. I think if we waited a couple days, it would settle more and really give us that popping noise, but it's still satisfying. This one, I'm pretty proud of. I think I beat AI on this one. Let me know which AI slime you guys like the most, and if you think overall I beat the robot. See you next time. Thanks for watching.